In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your domain in Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just starting out, navigating through all the settings can sometimes be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to renew your domain with confidence. First off, you'll want to begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, go to the My Store homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your entire store. You'll find everything from your sales information to customer data here, making it your go-to spot for keeping track of how your store is doing. Next, you're going to want to click on the Settings tab. It's usually located on the bottom left corner of your dashboard. This is the control center for your store, where you can fine-tune your store's functionalities and adjust any operational details. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page with a variety of options. From here, you'll need to click on the Domains option. Everything pertaining to your store's web address and domain management can be found here. If you're not sure why managing your domain effectively is crucial, remember that your domain is your store's online identity. It's often the first thing customers see, so ensuring it remains functional and up-to-date is key. Once you click on domains, you'll find yourself on a page that provides information about your current domains. This page is specifically designed to help you keep track of all domains associated with your store. If you have multiple domains, everything will be conveniently listed here. Now, if you've reached the point where you need to renew your domain, the next step is to get in touch with Shopify support. For this, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify contact page by going to www.shopify.com/ph/contact. Once there, you'll find several options for contacting Shopify, but in this case, look for the chat feature. Initiate a chat with the Shopify support team and communicate that you wish to renew your domain. Be sure to have any necessary details ready, like your domain name and any other relevant account information, to ensure the process goes as smoothly as possible. The support team is there 24/7 to answer your queries and assist you in renewing your domain promptly. And there you have it. Following these steps makes renewing your Shopify domain straightforward and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you in the next tutorial.